Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Substack to publish and earn from your writing, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Substack to publish and earn from your writing, start by visiting the Substack website. Click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. After verification, log in to your Substack account. You will be prompted to create a new publication. Enter a unique name for your Substack newsletter. Choose a tagline that summarizes your writing theme. Select a primary color for your newsletter to match your aesthetic. Once your basic information is set, click on Create Substack. Now, navigate to the Settings tab on your dashboard. In the settings, you will find options to customize your publication. Make sure to set your email preferences according to your needs. Scroll down to the monetization section to enable paid subscriptions. Toggle the switch to turn on the paid subscription feature. Set your subscription pricing strategy, whether monthly, annually, or both. Consider offering a free trial or sample content to boost interest. After pricing is set, you can provide additional payment details if necessary. Review your publication settings to ensure everything is accurate. Next, draft your first post by clicking on New Post. Write engaging content that resonates with your audience. Add images or links to enhance your post if needed. Preview your content by clicking on the Preview button. Make any necessary edits before publishing. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to share your post. Promote your Substack link on social media and to your personal network. Stay consistent with your writing schedule to build and retain your audience. Regularly check analytics on your Substack dashboard to track your engagement. Continue to refine your content strategy based on the feedback and metrics you receive. Now you're ready to publish and earn from your writing on Substack. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.